Hey everyone, welcome back to English Flanker Podcast, where we break down the real struggles of learning English and how to beat them. I'm Niha, and with me is my co-host Sam. Hey Sam.
Hey Niha, excited for today's topic. We're diving into the 5 biggest mistakes that stop people from learning English effectively. And trust me, we've all made at least one of these.
Let's start with the big one, fear of making mistakes. So many learners freeze up because they're afraid of sounding silly or getting it wrong.
Exactly. But here's the truth. Mistakes are how you learn. If you're not making mistakes, you're probably not pushing yourself enough. Think of it like learning to ride a bike. You're gonna wobble.
And fall. But you get back up. So speak up, even if it's not perfect.
Next up, pronunciation. A lot of learners focus only on grammar and vocabulary. But if people can't understand you, it's frustrating.
Totally. English has weird sounds, silent letters, and stress patterns. You've got to listen and repeat. Watch movies, mimic actors, record yourself.
And don't be shy to exaggerate sounds at first. It helps train your mouth and ears.
Mistake number 3, memorizing word lists without knowing how to use them.
Flashcards with no context? That's like learning ingredients without knowing how to cook.
Exactly. Learn words through stories, conversations, or themes. Use them in real sentences. Make them yours.
Number 4, ignoring grammar. Some learners think they can skip it, but grammar is the skeleton of your sentences.
Right. You don't need to be a grammar nerd, but you do need to understand basic structures, like tenses, sentence order, and prepositions.
Apps, short lessons, and writing practice help. Just don't avoid it.
Last one. Thinking in your native language and translating word for word.
This leads to awkward sentences and slow speech. You've got to train your brain to think in English.
Start small. Describe your room, your breakfast, your plans in English, even in your head.
It's like building a new mental muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
So, to recap, don't fear mistakes. Practice pronunciation. Learn vocabulary in context. Respect grammar and think in English.
And remember, progress is messy, but every mistake is a step forward.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this episode, check out our next one, How to Think in English Like a Native. Until then, keep learning, keep laughing, and keep speaking.
See you next time.